Barbary Coast GLPs from 2018. This tin is actually already open. Beautiful cube cut. Welcome back. Today we are doing a tobacco review of Barbary Coast by GLPs. This is part of the original mixture series. I believe this came out all the way back in 2001. All right, so what is Barbary Coast? It's a brandy infused blend. So we have cube cut burley. We have some red Virginia. And we have a little bit of Perique. Topped with brandy. So now this tin is from 2018. And I don't want to call this an aromatic, but it has aromatic qualities to it because of the brandy. And it's nothing off-putting. It's very sweet. It's kind of like I don't want to say like a citrus fruit, but it's kind of like a mix between a citrus fruit and a dark fruit. If you search hard enough, you can get some dark chocolate, I guess, if you really start searching for something to taste. But I've had a decent amount of bowls of this already, and it's been very consistent. Again, this is 5 years old, and the tobacco's had time to mellow with the brandy, and I think that's really what's really setting this off. I don't get too much going on with the Perique. I think it just adds some depth to this blend. The red Virginias help make it sweet, but I think the chocolate notes, like way out in the background, way out there. The cube cut burley is producing that. And the brandy is my opinion. The brandy is producing those types of stone fruits, mild citrus, more of a stone fruit. I think I would go with that, because it's not really dark fruit at all. It's a very tasty blend. It's kind of like almost like fruit cake type of a blend. So I think this is kind of I hate to say this, but it kind of has that little Christmassy mood to it, so you can kind of have like a little bit of fruit cake going on, and some chocolate and brandy, and it kind of has that feel to it. So all right, let's get further in there and see where we're at with this bowl. About a good third into it now, and it's tasting exactly as it started. Very, very nice. Like I'm sticking to my guns with the stone fruits, the fruit cake type fruits. It really has that flavor coming through, with the brandy. I don't know what type of brandy was used. There's flavored brandy out there, but whatever it is, it's really nice. As I said, I don't want to really call this an aromatic, because there's really no top dressing put on it other than it's treated with brandy. So I guess theoretically, it's almost like what a Navy blend is. It just gets plain tobacco gets treated with rum. So this is a brandy instead of that, but it has some wonderful flavors going on. It's nothing majorly complex, but there's depth, there's body. Nicotine's probably in the center of it, center of the spectrum, and it has a different type of flavor, which is very enjoyable. Like I said, this is 5 years old. That does help. And what's that saying? That's saying that this blend that's been treated with brandy has aged beautifully. So, yeah, Barbary Coast. Maybe it's a sleeper Christmas blend. I don't know. Might be for me. All right, so until next time, have a good one.